You suck! You stupid mother. Oh, you wanna fight? You wanna fight me? Oh, I'll fight you. Let's go.
Man, buddy, all right?
Who would have guessed he'd be so tough?
Come on.
Come on, man, the linebacker's gonna make that play.
Dude, he's there. It's early. We're good. First play of the game. Dude, are you kidding?
Tackle, come on.
Tackle him! See this? Tackle him!
Ah,
We're
jeez.
terrible.
Oh my
We need to
God.
fire the coach.
Son of a
Clear house.
These guys can't tackle.
This is going to be the worst season ever.
What the Yeah, baby. That's a franchise quarterback, baby. Did you see those hips? That is a franchise quarterback. That is our guy right there. Man.
Here we go. He's open. He's open. Oh, come on. Another high pass. See, this guy's terrible, dude. We should have got rid of him. Never should have signed him to a contract.
The second string guy's supposed to be really good.
He's probably the best.
He would've made that throw.
I bet you'd start on any other team, that guy.
Probably.
See, look at him, dude. He's ridiculous. We should have never brought this guy back.
You gotta be kidding me. How can we ever trust this guy? Chip Kelly was right.
Here we go.
What's
Got him.
up? Dijon, baby.
Best player in the league.
I'm
No
getting that
doubt.
jersey.
No doubt. We should never let this dude go.
Oh man, I knew Kelly was crazy. All right, safety blitz. Come on, blitz him.
Dude, we never blitz enough.
come
We
on,
gotta
man,
blitz the
absolutely,
safeties.
absolutely.
Blitz. If we just blitz a little bit
absolutely.
more.
Every time,
Every
every
other
time.
team blitzes. Why don't we?
Come on. Like, why are they not going deep? Every play. We got Jackson. We got Ertz. Wentz can throw a bomb.
Dude, we just
Takes
need
what
the
are
top.
they doing?
He takes the top off the defense.
Right away.
What the
Dude, I don't get it, man. Philly special. It's the best play. We won a Super Bowl with it. You can run it every time. You know you're gonna win. It's just run Philly special
100%,
more.
man. 100%.
Miss it. Miss it. Miss it.
Yeah, I know it's a Skins, but I got him on my fantasy team.
What?
What's
Dude,
up,
Miles
man?
Sanders, son.
Eagles! Yeah, baby! Woo!
Come on, guys. Did you seriously let him drink before halftime again?